Welcome back, seekers of wisdom. Today we're diving into the mystical world of Black Obsidian, the powerful stone of truth, protection, and transformation. Black Obsidian is not a crystal, but a volcanic glass formed when molten lava cools quickly. For centuries, shamans, healers, and spiritual seekers have used this stone for grounding, protection, and self-discovery. Known as the mirror of the soul, Black Obsidian reflects back our deepest truths. It's a stone of protection, cutting away negative energies and illusions. Spiritually, it connects strongly with the root chakra, keeping you grounded and safe. Use Black Obsidian in meditation to release emotional blockages and uncover hidden truths. Many wear it as jewelry, bracelets, pendants, or rings to shield against negativity. And in ancient traditions, polished obsidian mirrors were even used for scrying and divination. Place it near your front door to protect your home, carry it in your pocket to stay shielded, or hold it during shadow work journaling sessions. Remember, Black Obsidian is a teacher of truth. It challenges you to face what's hidden, but in doing so, it leads to deep healing and transformation. Would you use Black Obsidian for protection, meditation, or shadow work? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more spiritual wisdom.